Hello everyone, this is a smart stereo for Peugeot 208 since 2012. Equipped with Android system, which is easy in use. High definition screen is prepared for playing your show. Bluetooth allows you dial or pick up your phone hands-free. Support mirror link function. GPS navigation always plan the best route for you. High definition screen supports 1080 progressive scanning. Open the radio, never miss any news. Or enjoy a local radio show. Split screen function used to applications at the same time. Reverse camera provides a steady clear view output. Clear at both day and night. DIY installation is really simple, just connect those wires. Now let's see what it looks like before and after installation once again. Purchase your Ezonetronics products today on Amazon store.